Could be a lot of team retirees that
There's some positions in this department it's better just not to know.
Yeah.
You know? That's why I'm like, okay, how things actually kind of.
The front door's open, might seem like they can run.
The front door's open, it's all the end. Hang on, you guys don't get it before I can get this thing off.
Yeah, what we do is wait till we get inside.
I don't know. Go outside?
Yeah, I don't like it. Working Deaconess?
No, I worked it last night.
Man, front door's open.
Oh, don't forget.
Still want me to bang?
30% of these, I'm at the mall.
Don't break that window, boy.
Matter of fact, you know,
My radio's coming in. I had a lock.
I'll be right there with you.
Pretty good. You get full pay for that?
Probably.
Yeah. Bad deal at all.
At least I'll get pulled off. I'm probably sure. He always calls me about 3 o'clock. I don't know why.
Where at?
Every time. In fact, I don't leave, but you call me about 2.
Hey, Sean, I'm still going to bang if that screen door is the only thing open.
I pull the screen door, I'll let you guys know if that big door's open.
Turn my radio off. When I'm on.
Oh, it's an hour.
Yeah,
Give me a bang.
Especially now you're tired.
Oh, I know what happened. My battery disconnected and connected again.
I need a new battery. It's up, right? Up?
Yeah, it's up.
Yep.
Only about 2 blocks.
We got lights still. Going out that door. You're not locked, but
There you go.
stay put. Put me a little bit there.
A little bit, I start messing with them. I don't get crazy.
As soon as we got up there, I was gonna prep them out.
Flick it. Flick your bean.
Bring them in, boys.
There we go. Go, guys.
Take care of each other.
Concentrate. Focus.
Stay safe. Make sure you're chambered.
Ready to turn off now, guys.
Ready, turn. Here we go.
Remember to grab back Henry's vest and yell bang.
Yeah.
I'll get the screen door.
Okay.
You guys won't have to worry about the screen door. I'll get it.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Lay down. Lay down.
I'm behind you.
Cover now.
Go. Go.
We're here.
Hit it.
I got high. I got high. Front door's open. I'll get it. I got it, Jeff.
I'm gonna go to the left side.
Police department, search warrant! Police department, search warrant! Ah, hey! What? Coming through, bang! Go! Police department, search warrant! Get down here! With you! Need one!
With you? Okay, just relax, okay? One on the couch, then.
Up, hun. Get up. On top of your head. Put your hands on top of your head.
Get a female right here.
I got it. We need one in the back.
Need one.
I'll take you back a little bit. Got one here.
Need one in here.
Need one back here, guys. One coming out with one.
You pull the door. I get it. Clear. You want to check these? Or you think it's worth it?
I don't know if they had time. I hit.
Hold the stairs.
Okay, you got it. I'm going. All right, coming.
Go. Who went up? How many you got? Okay, I'm going down. with you.
You need one?
With you, hold it, just hold it.
Get it close, Dad.
Just hold it, Josh.
This is clear.
All right.
There was a cat or something.
There's a cat. Ready?
Here, I'll kick it.
Go ahead. Look right, I got left.
Door over there. Door.
We need another one.
I'm with you guys.
Here, let's do this one first. Go ahead.
Clear.
Okay, come on out.
The only opening guys we had was in the top left here. There's an opening.
Okay, this is clear. This is just electrical.